a batty boy. Batty boy. Batty boy, you batty boy. Bomba clap.
I can't do your makeup. O karititang rakukaraka.
Fuck, I need to stop doing crack.
Look like a cricket for you.
Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
Yeah, no,
Oh, you're Jamaican.
What?
You're Jamaican?
Jamaican, bro. Jamaican.
Bomba clap, pussy clap my foot.
You to son. Dunks, my god. Nah, like, fully dunks. Fully Jamal.
Say bomba clap.
Say 3-9.
Am I saying it right? Bomba clap?
Say 3-9, bro. 3-9.
3 9.
Yeah, man. 3-9. Fully got. Is it?
That
Fully.
man, 3 9.
Is it? Fully dunks. Say fully dunks. Fully dunks.
That man, 3 man, fully does.
Yeah, fully dunks, bro. Believe, man. I don't know.
Giovanni, 3 man.
No, the kid is the bad doctor.
Other girl was trying to call her a hoe, but she let a guy pee in her. Like they were fucking, and she let him pee in her. When he had a
What?
My last words,
weird,
man, I lie. My last words, you know. My last
He's
words.
from Jamaica. Huh?
Bumbo clot. She said it, bro. Yeah, Jamaican,
Wait,
isn't
are you
it?
my dad?
What?
My dad left me, now I'm Jamaican, so I want to know if you're my dad.
Do that shit again.
Want to your mother, that want to do. You look
Say hi to chat. Jamaican man.
Yo, you look so you look like Jimmy New. You know, wait, name Shana Sheen.
Oh, who do I look like? Jimmy Neutron.
Yeah, no. Sheen,
You know what you look like? Bumbo clap. That's what you look like.
Real nerd bag in a game they are playing.
You're a batty boy. Batty boy. Batty boy, you batty boy. Bumbo clap, batty boy.
Look at what kind of watty boy. You look like a fish yourself, my god.
Nah, you look like batty boy with a fish stick.
You look like a fish yourself. Watch him. You yes man, watch him.
You smell like fish stick.
Okay, know the batty boy them from far, you know you top of nice there, man. We're gonna play a game. We're gonna play back a game in your glasses.
I'm a bad man.
Yeah, bad man. I'm on a program, my brother, and see man a program I tell you what to do. A program, my brother, and see that you. A man can't program, man, brother.
What are you saying? I don't speak Jamaican. I'm
Yeah,
sorry,
you can't
my boy.
understand me as a fool. Man a program, my brother.
I'm gonna go to
and
Jamaica
play
and
a
I'm gonna
game.
smack fire out you. How about that?
You can't see my batty boy come and I love money. Your
But
mother want to say that.
Wait, like, you're not bad man.
Hey boy,
Don't see that
in the
person.
background, shut up to you, batty boy. Suck your girl.
Oh shit, think about the boy. You're the batty boy? You're the batty boy.
Man, hold your mom.
You smell like
Your
smell like
mom,
shit.
your mom,
You
his
smell
mom
like-
on my D. You feel me?
You smell like God. You smell like shit.
You can't smell me. You
You
smell
stink.
yourself. Go be a
You
batty
smell-
boy. Go
You
be
smell
it.
like shit.
You smell like shit, batty boy. You smell yourself and yourself.
Yo, you smell like
Big waste, man.
You smell like shit.
Memories, I hope they fade away.
Yo, bro. Yo.
Yo.
Yo, you need to cut the dreads in a dog and then look fake cute. Fake dreads in them. Fake dreads in there. Huh?
What'd you say?
Oh, yeah, watch porn.
Yo. That wasn't funny shit, so
You laugh, I hear that boy. Big waist, man.
boy.
You can check good,
Batty
you.
boy. You batty boy. Yeah? Eh? You.
Yes.
Why you got that shicey on, man? That shit look like my foreskin.
Okanishiwa.
That shit look like my foreskin, bro. Shit
Okanishi-
look like my foreskin.
Okanishiwa.
Man, y'all racist too.
Okanishiwa.
and I'm tired of it. I'm so tired of it.
Yo, bitch ass racist.
Fuck your mother, batty boy.
Do you see me f***ing laughing, my nigga?
Yeah, boy, you're fraud as fuck.
Damn, man.
Hey!
O karitito ro kukaraka. Jano, youth. Yeah, you want some bleaching cream?
You a bitch, nigga.
This waste man, how me look like a bitch fool? Looks like a bird living in head. Youth. I can't do your makeup. I can't do your makeup. Eh? I can't do your makeup.
No.
Why not?
Because who wants to do makeup?
Me do it for your baby, you don't have to worry yourself.
I don't wear makeup.
Alright, I love woman them natural, me a Jamaican, you see me?
Hold up. Domino's medium specialty pizza.
What you say?
That's not.
Say repeat what you said, because I'm understanding you just a little bit. I haven't, you mean,
Nah, like, you look good still, man. I like a black dress.
I don't got a black dress on.
You see me, man, just lay down for you nice and smooth, you see me? Watch it. Oh.
Bitch, and you look good, call my fucking phone, straight up. I just got my hair cut. Tell Beyonce holla at me.
Right.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Yeah, man. So where you come from? Huh? Yo, turn that shit down. Yo, turn that down, man.
Turn the music down or turn
Yeah.
it down? Tell me what to do.
But now I talk to you, man. You see a little rusty in your
I
chair.
don't get
Like dogs and shit.
Why the bumbo clock this?
Don't look at this little girl right
What
here.
the waste, man, dog?
What's up, little girl?
Who are you? Suck your man, about little girl. Why you look like Batty? You?
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
The fuck are you texting?
Yo, the boy text a girl, youth. Nigga with the curly hair, man, text a girl. That I go on here, youth.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Man, I text a girl, dog. Youth, where you text a man, girl, for, bro? Dirty style, that in your friends. If you take a friend, girl.
Yeah.
Waste man style, that in there, bro.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, bro. Man can't text a girl, bro.
All facts.
Dirty style, that, bro. Yeah, dog, you don't understand what me I say, so you need to listen to that, you know, bro.
From Jamaica.
Wow, go on.
Fuck, what's up, dude?
Wow,
We're
go
on the
on,
ice
you
right
mean?
now in a fucking tent.
Yeah, man, you
How you
mean?
doing?
That's the vibes, man. That's the vibes, man. That's the vibe. Yeah.
Thank you, man. What does that mean?
Just don't mind a polar bear out, then your money in the dog.
She can crawl through it, she's trying to see if she can.
Yo, bro, yo, can I get some man coke over there? Eh? No cardos, or what you want to call them? One, 2 kilo. You look at me like you don't know me at that, bro. No Mexico you come from, yo. Eh? 1, 2 pound a kilo.
Yo. Yeah, you do content?
Brother, look like a glass bigger than your dog. Do you know me, G?
Huh?
Look like a glass bigger than your eye, bro. Yo, tell a nigga to change those glasses, man. They're bigger than his fucking eyes, man. Yeah, kabadabadabadoo.
Huh?